Start with a slip knot. And chain 12. You can change the starting number of chains according to the size of your gadget. One single crochet in the second chain from the hook, this one. One single crochet in each and every stitch until the last stitch. Three single crochets in this last stitch. Now turn your work and start working on the opposite side. One single crochet in each and every stitch until the last stitch. And take this yarn in along with the working yarn. This is the first stitch. Three single crochets in this last stitch. And slip stitch on top of this first single crochet, this one. Next round, start with chain 1. This chain 1, it won't be counted as a stitch. One single crochet in the same stitch. Now one single crochet in each and every stitch around. Once you reach the end, slip stitch on top of this first single crochet. This is the slip stitch, do not make a stitch over here. Next round, chain 1. Again, this won't be counted as a stitch. One single crochet in the same stitch. One double crochet in the same stitch. That's two stitches in the same stitch. Skip the next stitch. And in the next stitch repeat the same. One single crochet, one double crochet, skip the next, and then the next stitch, one single crochet, one double crochet. Now repeat this all around. Skip one, once you reach the end, do not slip stitch. This round onwards you will be working in continuous rounds. Now directly go into the first stitch. This is the first single crochet and repeat the stitch pattern. One single crochet, one double crochet. Now keep repeating the stitch pattern until you reach the size which you need. Skip the next stitch and in the next stitch make a single crochet, one double crochet in the same stitch. Now repeat this. Skip one, this is how it will look. Next round, one single crochet in each and every stitch. Once you reach the end, slip stitch on top of the first single crochet. This is the first single crochet. Make a slip stitch over here. The last round, start with chain 1. This chain 1, it won't be counted as a stitch. One single crochet in the same stitch. Now make one single crochet in each and every stitch until you reach the midpoint. Just fold your pouch like this and gauge the middle point. This is the mid stitch. To make the button loop, chain 10. You can change this number of chains according to the size of the button which you are using. Just check if the button is going through. This is the button I will be using. And make a single crochet in the same stitch. This is how it will look. Now one single crochet each and every stitch until the last stitch. Once you reach the end, slip stitch on top of this first single crochet and weave off your yarn. Now with the yarn needle, sew the button and weave off your yarn. I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.